My name is Christopher. I'm the IT Service Manager in Struers. I'm responsible for the global IT service desk, and I'm also taking care of different implementations, software, purchasing hardware, etc. Struers is a niche kind of company. We are working with something called material graphy, and we are a manufacturing company. But in the end, what we really do is we sell knowledge to different companies. We work in both office and we work like production and warehousing, and we are working with a lot of major companies. We had a requirement from our production area to begin with that they wanted to showcase different BI reports. We want to be able to make those live decisions. So we want to be able to do those BI reports and show them, and then have the people on the production floor taking decisions live. And then for us in IT, we obviously wanted the overview of like how we are doing live with the different metrics that we have that we report on. We went through a selection phase where Fugo came out from the beginning, both by being very responsive, but also feature-wise, Fugo have a lot of features where it was easy for me as an IT administrator to give the access to our end users, let them work inside the workspaces, and even be able to set up their BI reports themselves. In other solutions that I was looking at, I most likely would have had to help them, which is something that we would like to avoid. Something else that was really nice was that we didn't have to use extra hardware. We could set it up directly from an app on a TV, and that process also worked really well, that we could talk to Fugo, who hooked us up with Sony, and worked that way. We also looked into other screens, but Sony BRAVIA was the most complete screen, so we only have to set up automatic updates, both from Fugo and from the Sony TV. When we chose the Sony BRAVIA, we chose them because they have a good Android engine and they can run 24/7 without getting any burn-ins. When it comes to the Fugo part, we basically managed to set up something that's easy to scale, because you can just unload the app onto the TV, and then whenever somebody turns on their TV, then Fugo will automatically load. We are looking at our different KPIs, SLAs within IT, but we are also monitoring software. If something is breaking down, then we can act on it very fast. And we are also using it in other countries like the UK, where they use it in their reception to greet different customers and guests coming to visit them. Now there is also a new function, from what I know, with Power BI, that you can actually set it up and hook it directly to your Microsoft system with Power BI, which improves the process even more using Power BI.